how to bundle Hulu with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you step by step for that. So let's just get started. For that, you can go ahead and access the Hulu website on your device, and particularly you should be finding this interface. Now you may look out for your account in the top right corner, and then go ahead and click on it. And when you do, a menu appears on your screen. So look out for the option called account from the menu and open it up, and it will give you this section where you can manage your account, your subscription, and everything. Look out for manage subscription, manage plan, and you will be taken to the space right here with all of the bundles available. Now, in order to bundle Hulu with Disney Plus and ESPN, look out for the bundle with Disney Plus and ESPN. We have this right here, Disney Bundle Trio Basic with everything. You can look out for that one, or we even have Hulu Plus Live TV. You can look out for the one that you prefer. So you can look out for the prices for each of them. So you can just go ahead and look out for that and enable it. Turn on the toggle option right beside it. After that, you need to select yes, you would like to change your subscription. So go ahead and provide in your zip code and everything. And then once that is done, here you can look out for your subscription plans. And at last, you can just go ahead and click on submit option, and that way you can bundle Hulu with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus very easily. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.